Since you can't tell if an oven sensor is malfunctioning simply by looking at it, you'll need to test it with a meter. Oven sensors come in many shapes and sizes, but all of them can be tested the same way. You can choose from a variety of multimeters to perform the test. For this demonstration, we will use both analog and digital models. When using an analog model, first rotate the range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Then calibrate the meter by pinching the probes together while adjusting the needle to read 0. When using a digital model, again rotate the dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance, or resistance with tone if your meter has this option. Before you begin, make sure the sensor you're testing has been removed or isolated from the appliance. Now, use a probe to touch one of the sensor's terminals, and the second probe to touch the other terminal. If the sensor is functioning properly, the meter should read between 1,000 and 1,100 ohms of resistance at room temperature. Be aware that the high resistance of the sensor will probably prevent a meter tone. A significantly different reading strongly suggests that the sensor is malfunctioning and will need to be replaced.